Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all care about: how to maintain white teeth and keep your mouth healthy. I'm going to share 4 easy tricks that you can start using right now to achieve that bright, healthy smile. Let's get started. Trick number 1 is all about brushing properly. It might sound simple, but many people don't brush the right way. You want to make sure you're using a soft bristled toothbrush and brushing in gentle circular motions for at least 2 minutes. Focus on all areas: your front teeth, the sides, the back molars, and your gum line. Using a toothbrush that's too hard can damage your enamel, which makes it easier for stains to stick. Next up, flossing. We all know we should floss, but did you know that skipping it can leave plaque between your teeth, which leads to yellowing? Flossing once a day is essential for removing those hard-to-reach bits of food and bacteria that cause plaque buildup. Not only will it help keep your teeth white, but it will also prevent gum disease and bad breath. Flossing is one of those simple tricks that go a long way for both appearance and oral health. Trick number 3, use a whitening mouthwash. Mouthwash doesn't just freshen your breath, but it also helps remove surface stains and kills bacteria that can lead to plaque buildup. Look for a mouthwash that contains hydrogen peroxide or other whitening agents. Just make sure it's not too harsh, as you don't want to damage your enamel. Rinse for about 30 seconds every day, and you'll notice a difference in both the color of your teeth and your overall oral hygiene. Finally, trick number 4, avoid foods and drinks that stain your teeth. Drinks like coffee, tea, red wine, and even certain fruits like berries can lead to discoloration. Try to cut down on these or use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. If you do indulge, make sure to rinse your mouth with water afterward or brush about 30 minutes later. This will help prevent those stains from setting in. All right, those are my 4 easy tricks for keeping your teeth white and your mouth healthy. Remember, these small daily habits can make a big difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on health and wellness. Until next time, keep smiling.